There is another method to insert terminals that is using Panel tab and in the Terminal Footprints panel drop-down, and then choosing Insert Terminal Schematic List. As you see, a new dialog box will be displayed. The Project button is selected by default, which is for extracting terminal list. By choosing OK, you will go to Next dialog box and you can select the drawings that you want to be processed. Select each one that you want, then in the lower area, choose Process and the selected drawing will be moved to bottom list. Also, by keeping Ctrl key, you can choose many drawings simultaneously, or by selecting Do All button, all the remaining drawings will be moved. Now select the OK button. This part is same as the Schematic Components dialog box that had been explained in the previous tutorial video. If you want to change and also back to previous step, you can use Reload button. To do that, select the desired drawing that you want for the second time. So you can select the schematic terminals to insert on panel, and then in the downside of this dialog box you have Insert button. Note that the Insert button will be activated after selecting the schematic terminal. I'm going to insert it, then a new dialog box will be displayed. In this section, you need to use Catalog Lookup to search for your desired catalog and assign it to the terminal. To do the next part, you have to choose OK button, then specify location for inserting your terminal. Click on the point that you want to insert your terminal, then you need to define the direction. So just move the cursor until the desired direction is obtained, then click on the screen to insert it. After doing that for the second time, Panel Layout dialog box will be displayed and you can edit or enter required information that you want. Choose the OK button to exit this dialog box, and the Schematic Terminals dialog box will be displayed again. And if you do not want to insert another terminal, you can choose Close to finish it. After doing this part, a new window will be shown that asks you to update the other drawings, because the other drawings may include child components or related panel components. You can choose Update to do that, or just skip this part.